Hello guys, welcome. Today I am going to show you how to install main circuit breaker of the building. So this circuit breaker, as you see, is main circuit breaker of our villa. So here as you see in this circuit breaker, here is MCCB. MCCB is stand for molded case circuit breaker. Molded case circuit breaker. M is stand for molded, and C is case, and CB is the circuit breaker. So as you see here, we have three phase and neutral coming from city network. So as here, as you see, this is line 1 shining, and this is line 2, this is line 3, and this is a neutral. In this side we have the load side. Also here we have this line and neutral is coming from generator. So we are not connected now because we want to do the automatic transfer switch. Here we will install the two contactors to changing if the city source is lost, the generator is coming to enter. So also this molded circuit breaker is control all our load in this build. So it is 150 ampere. Our molded circuit breaker is 150 ampere. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.